There's a rule of thumb in real estate that says that every 1% increase in mortgage interest rates, there is a 10% decrease in property values. That has to do with how much someone can get approved for. You see this monthly payment here. This is your principal and interest payment on a $350,000 purchase. And this is your principal and interest payment on that same property, 10% less in value, 1% higher in interest rate. It's about the same. You're going to sit on the sideline waiting for, let's say, 12 months for this property to adjust 10% down, where you may not see a 10% adjustment in 12 months. It may take longer. So you're holding out for a decrease of $24, but meanwhile, you just paid $30,000 in rent for that whole year. So you paid in $30,000, which you didn't or you could have paid towards your principal.